Welcome! In front of me I have the TOZO Crystal Pods earbuds, and I'll be going over unboxing of this product. So anyway, not much to it. They have a bit of a plastic little casing right here, some paperwork, and the earbuds themselves along with some ear tips. So we have medium, large and small ones. These are, I believe, large and small, and the mediums are probably already on. And then we got the Type-C to Type-A cable for charging, and the buds themselves. There we go. And just a little sticker right here. Peel that off. Obviously the buds. They do have an interesting design, as you can see right here. They are a bit see-through. We have some lights right here. I believe this is for pairing right now. And we have something that almost looks like a button, but there is no click to it when you press on it. So it might be just like a touch-sensitive area, or just might be just an aesthetic kind of thing right here. Oops. And you can see they magnetically attach with a clear, or maybe not necessarily clear, but like this darker kind of clear top, and this kind of looks almost like it's never mind. It does kind of look a little bit like what is it, not microfiber, like carbon fiber, but it's just, I think, like a layer of plastic under that gives this hexagonal, or more like a squares kind of design. If I can actually get that closely, let's get some light. You can see it right here. So still looks pretty decent, though the obviously casing is all plastic. So there we go. That's basically everything to it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.